Hello, it's Roy again, and this is a second video about Breadcrumb AI. I apologise for the first one. I don't do very many videos. So in the first video I explained the problems I have with nav meshes, especially on large sort of open world naturally shaped terrains. And in this video I want to sort of briefly explain how I see Breadcrumb AI works and some of its advantages. So the concept is that on my player here I have the Breadcrumb AI script, and he basically drops little breadcrumbs as he goes around, and you can configure the rate at which he drops them and how long they last. So in the first video I had this sort of setup, and now I've got 20 guards in here, except that one seems to be stuck in a wall. 20 guards in here, and I don't think any of them can see me. It's a bit tight. I'll just move me back a bit and down a little bit. So as soon as I start playing this, what's going to happen is these guys will all do a little wander, and then they'll come across they'll pick one of these waypoints that they can see, these little green things, at random, and start waypointing between those waypoints. If they see me or get line of sight, then they'll chase me. But not only will they chase me, because I'm going to run this way, and this guy is going to see me and start chasing me, but these AI are going to see that this guy is chasing me, so they're going to follow him. Now on the nav mesh, let's say you had a shout mechanism, so this guard raises the alarm when he sees me, and as I said, he'll magically know where I am on the nav mesh, so all these people, all these guards, would automatically know where I am on the nav mesh as well, magically. So even if I ran round this corner, some of these would come running out of here to catch me, even though they'd never seen me, but they magically know where I am. But with this way is more natural, so I'll try and play it and then pause it. It's quite difficult because they come and get me quite quickly. So I'm going to run past this doorway and then pause it. So what we've got here is all these red lines, they can see me. The green lines, they're actually seeing a breadcrumb that was there, and it's disappeared. This guy here with the purple line and this other guy with the purple line, they've seen an AI that is chasing someone, so they're following him because he seems to be chasing something. The white lines are the guards that have seen this one who is chasing that one because that one saw someone, if you get what I mean. So what that ends up, or the way I translate it, is the guys with the red lines have seen an enemy and they're pursuing him. The guys with the purple lines have just seen that there's something going on, and they should be helping. And it's the same with the white guy. So if I just play this on a little bit further and run around, try and lose them, you can see how it. You see now they've all lost line of sight, but they're following my breadcrumbs. And hopefully I can lose the bread. Well, it's difficult because they'll get line of sight again. But this, as you can see, this is a far more natural solution to an AI chasing you around a terrain. So let's pause it there. So now I think I've got away from everyone. So this is where my player is. and I've left this trail of breadcrumbs, but they was just too far away for these guys who were chasing me to find me. So they've gone back to their patrolling yellow lines. But this one guy here has just spotted one of my breadcrumbs. I'm not quite sure what he's going to do about that, but if he does spot me, then the others are going to go and follow him because he's following me. So we'll see what happens with that. So as I run past the door again, they're after me again. And it's all, and that's fantastic. And you couldn't simulate that with a traditional nav mesh. So that's fantastic. I really like this whole concept, not because of this AI working better, and we've got some guys here who are just wandering because they can't even see a waypoint. We've got guys following guys who saw where I was in the past. It's just a better solution. The other thing, obviously, is I could just grab this guard and stick him anywhere on the map. I don't need there's no nav mesh, so I could prefab this. Well, I did prefab. I could prefab this guard, stick him in a desert, and he'll do his behaviour. He'll chase you, and his mate will follow him to help him, regardless of what the terrain is and that. And that's really powerful, I think. Anyway, the video's gone a bit longer than I wanted it to go on. In the third video, I want to sort of try and help drive out a few bugs and point out some enhancements I would like to see. So thanks for watching, and I'll do another video soon.